So I am at the Vegan Chef today. I'm going to eat here for lunch. This is another one of my favorite vegan spots. I'm at the Benmore Shopping Mall out here in Santon. And here's one of the deals for today. Meat-free Monday, buy one, get one free on all burgers and carries. And so here's just a look at their menu. And if you watched where I was yesterday at the Cannabis Expo, this is where I got the fried chicken buckets from. Really good food here. They have waffles, everything. Make sure you follow them on social medias. And here's their snacks and breakfasts. The sticky rib chips and slaw are really good. So this just shows you some of their stuff. And I'll let you know what I order once I figure it out.